Alrighty guys, welcome to the official Heartbroken swim team guide. I'll do a quick rundown on the Discord server first, and then we'll be moving on to the actual Seto Corso servers themselves. I'll do a few timestamps around the video for you guys to navigate. I'll go over a few things such as getting around the Discord server, how to download tracks, cars, joining the server, and using the in-game UI. You'll start on this screen here when first joining the Discord server. I fully recommend just checking all boxes. This will give you access to all of our channels. Even if you don't do this, we'll be doing something later down the line to enable all channels, so it's really not that big of a deal. Just click next down here at the bottom right. You'll see our rules here. Please read them just real quick. It doesn't take long. Click finish. Once you're done with that, you can move over to our announcements tab. Here you can read all of our new updates. We try to stay updated with the community. We also take all feedback. Now let's enable all channels by going to the top left and showing all channels. Just click that box. That'll give you access to every single channel in the Discord server. Some people have problems finding channels, and it's because they don't have that enabled. So make sure you have that enabled. Once done, you can go over to our servers tab at the top here. This will show all of our servers. We have cut-up servers, drift servers, togue, track, go-kart maps, anything you can think of. We also have VIP servers down here at the bottom. I don't have access to them right now because I am on an everyone role, showing what you guys would see. So this is what you would see when you clicked on it. It is only $5 a month. I do appreciate the support. When you do support, you get access to linking your Steam account, which gives you access to all of our private servers along with private voice and text channels, with a lot more coming soon. Going back to our servers up here at the top, any server with a green dot is online and ready to join. If it does have a red dot, that means we're either doing maintenance or it is just down and we're having some problems with it. So just give us some time. It'll more than likely be up in the next few minutes. So if you are ready to join and you already have a car pack and the map installed, you can just click join here, visit site. This will take you to either Google, Opera, whatever browsing source you use. If this doesn't pop up immediately like it did for me, I'll show you. You can just click join here. It'll pop it up now. You can click open content manager. It'll pop up with this tab here. If you are having any errors here, it'll show you. It's because I'm currently missing Satamine. This will also show you if you're missing cars, your wrong CSP version, you don't have weather effects enabled, whatever it might be, it'll show it here. If you think you can fix it yourself, go ahead and give it a try, by all means. If you cannot by any means fix it yourself, we do have a help chat here. You can just create a ticket. We're really good about getting access to those tickets and helping you guys out. So I'll show you a little bit of a ticket here. Let's see, we'll have to back out of this. We'll show you a little bit of a ticket here and what I expect you guys to do. So when you first create a ticket, you'll see this box here. I expect you guys to explain to me what's going on, maybe a screenshot of the error if you can, explain your CSP version, all of that. I do fully recommend looking at our FAQ before doing anything. A lot of people have checksum failed, which is just having the wrong car or map downloaded. Very easy fix. There's a lot of things in this FAQ that will help you. I fully recommend checking it out. There's a few things in here that I personally didn't know about before I did a little bit of research on them. So going back to our servers here, not our VIP servers, our servers, you'll see that there's a downloads link here and there's a join here link. You'll want to click downloads if you don't already have it. This will take you to our map and cars downloads. You'll see here it's all neatly organized for you guys. Just download whatever map you need. You can also go to our cars pack, click here, and this will take you to our cars pack. You can download it. This will only give you our cut up cars. So do that. We are making a full car pack for you guys here soon. It will give you access to everything. You can just download it and you'll get access to our cut up, drift, track, go-karts, all that, all in one download, making it simple for you guys. We will have that up here soon within the next few days. So if you don't have the car download, you can start by downloading it. You'll go to the site, you'll click download. I already have it downloaded here for you guys, so I'll go to my downloads folder and you'll just extract all. With me, I have Breezip, so I'll just extract it. This will take a second, so give it a little while. Alright, once done, you'll see this pop up right here. You can open your cars tab. There's multiple ways to get to your Assetto route. I'll show you a few ways. So you can either open up your Steam. So just click your Windows key, look up Steam. You'll want to go to your library. You'll want to look up Assetto Corsa. Right click, go to Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Browse, and that'll take you to your Assetto route. I'll show you another way here. You can open up Content Manager. You can go to your settings, content manager at the top left here, general, and you can click open right here. This will also give you your Assetto root folder. Now, once you've done either of these things, I fully recommend clicking right click right here and adding to your quick access menu. This will add the Assetto Corsa root folder up here, giving you fully access to it at all times. So if I close my file explorer, it's right here, ready for me to access. You will be using this folder a lot during Assetto Corsa, so I fully recommend adding it up there. Alright, once done with that, we can go back to our root folder. We can open up another folder by right-clicking our file explorer, going to Downloads, and you can just put these right next to each other. So we can go back to that cars folder that we extracted earlier. We can open up again. We can go to Content, Cars, and you can just drag and drop all of these cars straight into here. Now make sure it says Move to Cars right there underneath it, and you're not dragging it into another folder. So you'll do that. It'll do all this right here. I'm already going to have these cars installed, so it's going to ask me to replace them. If you have any one of these cards installed from another server, it'll also ask you to replace. I fully recommend clicking replace. Some servers have different data folders than we do, so if you try joining in a certain car, you might get a checksum failed. Now, once done with that, I'm just going to close it. You should have access to our servers. If you're still missing the tracks, like I said, you can go to our tracks downloads and download whatever track you need. Most of these are going to work the same exact way. So you'll go to your Assetto Corsa root, content, and then you'll go to your tracks folder and just drag it into your tracks folder. That's simple, and you're done. Now you can go back to servers at the top here. I'm lost as always. As you can see, there's always a few people in a few servers. So we got one in Brooklyn Park, one in FDR, one in Osaka, and we currently have 11 in SRP. So we'll go ahead and join up an SRP here, and I'll show you guys a few things. So you'll click join here. You'll let it all load. You'll click open content manager. You can pick any of your cars. Make sure you're not having an error here. Pick any of our cars. We do have a few different ones. If any of them are grayed out, they're either taken or is a traffic car. Any traffic cars are more than likely going to be labeled traffic, so you don't have to worry about that as much. We're going to go ahead and join in the 911 here, and I'll show you guys a few things inside of the server. Alrighty, so once you guys are officially in the server, you can go over to the steering wheel over here, and that'll put you in the server. The first thing you'll probably notice is our UI in the top left. That is fully coded by me. I spent a lot of time on it. I do appreciate all the love and feedback you guys give on it. It does mean a lot to me. I spent around 3 months coding it, so it does mean a lot. So the first thing you'll probably notice is that you can head over to the chat over here to move it around, scale it, do such things as that. So you'll click the extras button right here on the light bulb. You go to points UI. You can scale it. You can move it up and down, left and right. I personally like keeping it in the top left at around 200. You can hold control and left click to do precise values like that. You can click OK right there. Now, if you're a player that wants to do clips and do such things like that on our server, you can click tab and that'll turn the UI off for you. That'll take it off your screen, and just to turn it back on, you click the same button, click tab, and I'll turn it back on for you. I will say, if you do like your UI in the top right or the bottom left or in the middle, whatever it might be, when you rejoin the server, it will not save. So unfortunately, you will have to redo that. There are a few other things you guys can check out in the Discord, such as our cool mods tab, like I was talking about. That'll have comfy map, neck effects, drone cam, our Heartbroken speedometer, all of those things you can find right there. I do appreciate you guys checking out the tutorial. I'm glad you guys are in the server. If you guys need any more help, please make sure you make our way down to the help channel down here. Someone will get back to you soon. And yeah, we will try to help you out.